To create a new building, from the Surfy homepage, you click on the context menu and then on Create a Building. There, you give the name of the building, of course. Then, a color for its environment. As soon as you give these two pieces of information, you have the possibility to validate the creation of the building. But you can also complete with additional information, such as the theoretical surface area, the start and end date of the lease if you are a tenant, a date of purchase of the building if you are an owner. You have a line to indicate links to related documents. You have the option of putting a photo of the building, which will be visible on the home page of the reader profiles. And then you can complete with a number of parking spaces, a year of construction, annual charges, etc. You have the option to add the address of the building. Very useful for a multi-site. You find your buildings on a map. The type of building will allow you to tell if you are an owner or a tenant. The user who owns the building, in the case of a scenario, is the one who will create the scenario. And then the reference building is the building behind which the eventual scenario is hidden, i.e., it is its original building from which it was created. But the reference building can also be any building behind which the building in question is hidden. Once your information is filled in, you validate the creation. And when you go back to your home page, you have your building that is created. You can then modify it to create floors and complete your building.